Good morning, everybody. Chris Bradley with your Weather Geek report here on this Tuesday morning. We've got lots to cover here today, beginning with the big tornado outbreak last night in Oklahoma. Take a look. This is what we call the significant tornado parameter, and it was through the roof. Where you see that purple, that meteorologically speaking is telling you the conditions are ripe for big, violent tornadoes, and that's what we saw. Unfortunately, there was a lot of damage done, lives lost last night as a result of that tornado outbreak in Oklahoma. That storm system is headed towards Ohio. We will see some severe weather as we go through the week. Here we are at noon, a little bit of a break in the action. The warm front lifting north, and that means we're into warmer and a little more humid air. So all of a sudden, we're back up into the 70s. But that means we're going to have that fuel for some severe weather. If we get any sun here through the day, it looks like we could see some pop-up showers and storms. So let's advance and show you how things are looking here at 2 o'clock. Looks like just some widely scattered showers in central Ohio, but kind of keep an eye on what's going on back here around the Indiana line, because that's where I think storms will begin to form and then move our way. So that's 2 o'clock. Look here. As we head towards 4, we're starting to see little individual cells where we could have very heavy rain and even some wind developing here across central Ohio. As we continue on towards 6 o'clock, this becomes a little bit more widespread. See it right here. And again, some of these storms could be strong. I think the best chance for severe weather really will be to our south and west, and here's why. This is what we call the Cape. We're looking at the instability, and it really is highest in southern Ohio, and particularly down across southwest Ohio. And as I'm going to show you, it's even higher as you go farther south and west from there. Take a look here. This is an idea of where we have the threat for severe weather by looking at the supercell index. So you get back here across parts of southern Indiana, down across Kentucky, into parts of Tennessee, and then back into Missouri and even parts of Arkansas. That's where really I think we're going to see the strongest storms. And if they do form, they're expected to move generally in this direction over here into Kentucky, kind of south of the Ohio River. So that's what we're expecting here. We will need to monitor, though, what's going to be happening here tomorrow night, and again as we head into Thursday. That's when I really think we're going to have the greatest potential for storms. So speaking of Thursday, let's take a look and show you how things are looking here as we get into the day on Thursday. And that's where right here you can see we have the risk for storms right across the area, followed by clearing skies by Friday. So improving weather as we go towards the end of the week. So we're going to watch closely the development of any severe weather across the Midwest. I'll keep you updated. The next Weather Geek report tonight at 4. And of course, I'll be on with the latest forecast at 5, 5:36, and 11.